Man, they are forcing you to buy way high. Ugh, tried buying the bid on that dip. There we go. Long on the NASDAQ. Looking for upside objectives at 602.50, but if we can start cracking above the highs, I wouldn't mind trying to trail up along with it. See if we can widen this bad boy out. Pop, NASDAQ. There we go. Stop locked in. Locking in more. Locking in more. Keep going, NASDAQ. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, tapped out. Nice little washout dip there. Caught a nice run. Got a little bit of, a couple extra ticks on that one.